Hi everybody, it's Kelly Driver here. Welcome back to my art channel. It's fantastic to have you along today. I'm just about to undertake my largest acrylic pour so far. So a bit nervous, but I've got a great plan, and I've taken inspiration from the commission piece that I did recently, which had the Prussian blue background. So I'm doing a triptych, which means three, like what I've got behind me here, in a Dutch pour. And I'm going to use that yellow gold colour again because it came out so awesome in the commission piece. So it's pretty big and pretty exciting, and I can't wait to get going. I've just got everything crossed that it all turns out okay. Let's get into it. All right, now let's get going. So I've got a load of blue paint to begin with, and so I'll paint the canvas. There's still bubbles in the paint, so I'll have to give it a very good torch, but I won't do that on camera. I'll remove that bit. Whoa. First cup empty. All right, we'll see if that's enough paint on there. Do it. I'll blow it out on high. So I'm just painting the sides now. Okay, so I'm back, guys, and I'll show you what we're doing next. So we're going to put on phthalo blue, yellow gold, mortem, oh, I still can't say that one. I don't know what the name of it is. This is a pearl purple, and we've got gold. And I'm going to do 2 waves on there. That's the plan. So we'll start off down here. Actually, I might start further away, I think. Might be easier, so okay, there's one stripe on, and we might follow suit with the stripes on this end. This purpley colour is Caput Mortum Violet. Say it's something like that. I don't know exactly how you pronounce it. It doesn't sound very English. That's okay though. I love this colour, so regardless of what the name of it is, it doesn't matter. I'm going to keep using it. And I'm hoping that it might make some the violet and the yellow, I'm hoping they're going to come up with a lovely colour. Combination together. Go. That's looking pretty good. Now I'll go the pearl. Oh, I've got blue in there. Oops, don't know how I did that. Okay. Just a thinner line of pearl. I'm not going to do... I haven't got as much mixed up because I don't want to put too much on. And gold. Love gold. Always like putting gold in. It's definitely my favourite over silver or copper or bronze. I just always love the gold. Here we go. So what I'll do is I'll pour some blue around it all so that the paint will flow. Now I'm going to have a bucket load of bubbles again to get rid of. Uh-oh, I've run out of paint right at the end here. I can't believe I mixed up so much paint and I've actually just run out. Okay, well, I am really liking this right now. Oh, my goodness, it's gorgeous. Oh, let's torch and see what will come out. Okay, now I can see a couple of things I need to do. Over here I can blow it a little bit further. Now, I will blow some areas with my mouth that I feel could do a little bit of enhancing. Okay, I think I'm going to have to scrape off this corner because the rest of it is just perfect, and then over here it's just not the same. We've got like blooms and blooms, 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 and then here is a mess. So I'm going to scrape this corner off. Okay, so I've put the phthalo blue on. Now I'll put the yellow on. Now I'll put this colour this Mortem Caput Mortem colour on. Yay, that's what I was wanting. Now I'm happy. Now I'm happy. That was a bit of an effort, but it is exactly what it's meant to be now. Okay, I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, so this is the top left-hand corner. Look at that colour. Now we've come down to the bottom left. Now we're moving over to the middle canvas. And now we'll come over to this. This is the new and improved bottom right hand corner. And then up here for the top right hand corner. So it's a very large artwork really, with the 3 canvases all together, but I am very happy with the end result, and it was worth the persistence with the bottom right hand corner, fixing that up, because I think the end result is a magnificent artwork, and all my mess around it. So once it's dry, I'll do a proper photography of it, so that you can see what it's like and how the pearl has turned out. So please like and subscribe to my, or follow me. I'm trying really hard to build up my business, and your support would be greatly appreciated. And I'm Kelly Driver, and thank you very much for coming along today. Bye.